Hey, Ugly Tourist here, and today I'm going to do something a little more serious, a little more something maybe out of my league. But I'll tell you what, I've come across a house here that some of you guys just gotta see. Just gotta see. This is a big one, folks. Anyway, this is going to be a big house, the biggest one I've ever done, so bear with me, we're going to do it. Let's go inside. Uh-oh. Gotta go push. Okay, first of all, guys, your own carport. That's right. There's a scooter over there right now. They're fixing on it right now. But your own, I think it's a 2-car carport, isn't it? Or 2?
Yes, you can do it. A bit bigger on the small it is. It's for 2.
And if you have motorbikes, you can park inside.
Yeah, I might want this place. And it comes with a free car. All right, guys, we're gonna walk in, and I'm reminding you, it is pretty big. You also have a CCTV. They ain't coming in without you seeing them. Maybe you want them to come in anyway. It's pretty big, so bear with me here. It's furnished. Here's the living room. With an air con. And believe me, I've got one of these air cons at home, and it saves energy. It's an energy saver. Our electric's not much at all. Comes with a TV. Cable TV and internet are included. Water, all you gotta pay for is the electric and rent. The electric and rent. Let's go in and see the kitchen first. Kitchen's got sliding doors in case your wife is pretty loud doing the dishes, or your maid. And I'll show you something about the maid later. And there you've got space to put your dishes in and your utensils. Small microwave. A regular size refrigerator. Now that doesn't happen in every house you go to, but it's a regular refrigerator. It's got beer in it already. It has got beer in it already. I might want to get a beer. A cooktop. Place for all your spices, all your Filipino spices, or if you want to bring some from back home. There's one of those things that sucks stuff up, an exhaust system. Look at that. Goes right through the roof. Comes with dishes. And if you've got a Filipina, now silverware too, but if you've got a Filipina, this is probably more important than anything else. It's got a rice cooker and a heater of water. And there's your sink. It's got one of these sinks that goes around. Comes with a cutting board. You can't go wrong with a cutting board. They're always cutting something up. But anyway, here's the kitchen. It's nice and spacious. It's as seen before on some of Overstay Road's videos, because he stayed here before. I don't know if that's a selling point or not. Let me close this door here. And there's my wife. She's going to take a few pictures for you. Here we go. We're going to go into bedroom number 1. No, this is the study. He's got a study. He's got this worked out as a study. It's got plenty, ample cabinet space for all your needs. You know. Ooh, I would like this one. I wish. Wow. I could really hide from my Filipina. I can hide from her in here. Let me open up this. But it's got for your high school trophies, you know? More storage here. This would be a great YouTube room for me. Now this is something I always get mad about. Plugs. But watch this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs. Oh, I don't know if you can see that one. 6 plugs. Right there. And it's got a wall air conditioner. A wall air conditioner. And they really cool off your room really good. Really good, guys. So that's 2 air conditioners. And she's relaxing on the couch. Don't worry about that. Let's go into the bathroom, the shared bathroom. Or do you want to go into the other bedroom first? Let's go into the other bedroom first. And it's big. It's not like your regular Filipino bedroom. Okay? And like I said, everything comes with it. Everything comes with it. And I'll tell you something else. You got a bonus here. I'm going to tell you the bonus afterwards. But yeah, you got a wardrobe here. Hang your stuff. And hang your stuff. So you can have your whole family over here if you want. Your whole Filipino family if you want. And we're going to go into the master. You want to go to the master first, darling? What do you think? Oh, we'll go in here. It doesn't matter. There's so much to see here. And this is the regular. You got something to hold on to. It's got the squirter of the bum in here. It's got a hot water heater. In your shower. Good tile work in here. A toilet. And for you guys that are like me and need toilet paper, that's always good. And look at the door. The door's got dolphins on it. That's pretty cool. Let's go to the master bedroom. This is your domain. This is where you're going to hang out. Oh, this ain't the master.
That's not.
This is not the master. Sorry, it's big. Now I forgot where the master is.
The other side.
It's on the other side, huh? But it's the same as the other one. It looks like the same size. They are huge bedrooms, guys. That one had me fooled. And the other in the wall air conditioner. And I think we've got another one in here. I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. If it's your mother-in-law's room, no, you've got one. If it's your mother-in-law's room, no, it doesn't matter. She doesn't need air. But this one's got 2 beds in it. Now listen, also, if you don't need 2 beds in it, he will take out one. He'll put it in storage for you. And let me shut off the light in here. He'll put it in storage for you. Or whatever you don't need, or if you buy new stuff, then let me shut off this light in here. And we're going to go to the master. She reminded me this ain't the master. But this is the master. This is your domain, guys. Could you see yourself in this with your Filipina? Or if you're solo. Look at how big this is. You got a little arm wall for your wife. Look at that there. Or if you're vain, you know. But this is what I always love these. This is what I like. A walk-in closet. You don't see these in the Philippines, guys. You just don't. You just don't see these in the Philippines. So, big. It's big. I don't know if you can see how big it is. Let me see. Hold on. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but I'm all the way in here. It's huge. It's huge. And you got your place to hang your stuff, a place to hang her stuff. And if you're like me, she'll hang all her stuff. And she'll hide my stuff. But you've got place for everything. Your luggage, everything. And another aircon, and those save electricity. I'm telling you guys. If you need more space, he's got dresser drawers right here. Be honest with you, it looks a little empty because it's so big. It is so big that it looks a little empty. So you'll probably find more stuff. I want to show you something. Now this is kind of special. Don't get excited. But it's got a shower head up here. A shower head going down to a spa. That's right, you're in the tropics, guys. You deserve this. It's got water jets everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. It's got a jet that'll go, it'll go everywhere you don't want it to go. Look at that there. I kind of want to just come over and do that. It's got a CR or a toilet. And a bum squirter, another one. I don't know what this is for. We'll have to figure that out afterwards. And of course, it's got another hot water heater. There I am. Hey guys. That'll remind you it's summer, because it's summer all the time here, guys. A beautiful thing there. Let me turn off that light. I like that master bedroom. I'm telling you guys, someone better grab this before I do. It is beautiful. That's right, let me get the lights to this. I don't want to run up his electricity bill. I've got all the lights on. So, here we go. Now, I think he took me out some way. Oh, I didn't show you this. Now, it's got the cable, the internet, and the TV. That looks like about a 36-incher, 40-incher. And a couch you can hang out on, watch your sports, watch your Filipino dramas. And you can put your PlayStation in there if you like your PlayStation. I don't got a PlayStation. My wife won't let me have one. But yeah, there's your TV. There's some horses up on the wall. There's a clock. I always like a clock. Dean doesn't like clocks. Now look, I've got a professional wife here taking pictures. She's doing good. She's doing good. Let's go back here. Let's go see what's going on back here. This room's yours too. This room's yours too. So you've got a lot of stuff. You want a woodworking shop? I'm echoing here because there's nothing in here. But if you want a shop or something to do your hobbies in, this is the place for you. There's an air conditioning back here. You can really hide in a lot of storage space. A lot of storage space. There's many rooms back here and an air conditioner. Many rooms back here. You got basically the whole first floor to yourself. Let me turn off this light. I'm not sure if this room's yours or not. I'm pretty sure it is. But I want to show you something special, guys. Going up the stairs. And here you've got your maid's quarters. Your maid's quarters. That's right. They can hang out here, well, maybe watch a little TV at night. They have their own dresser drawers. They have their own shower. They have their own shower. That's right. Guys, I don't go halfway. I do not go halfway. This is crazy, I agree. Let's go down this corridor and I'll show you something else you've got. Look at this here. You got a little room, hang your laundry out, right? They don't have dryers here. You can hang your laundry out to dry right here. But here's your laundry room. That's right, you've got a laundry room too. And storage in here. Plenty of storage everywhere. Plenty of storage. And a little CR back here. See there? I didn't turn on the light there, but it's just a little CR. The maid can use that one. It is big, guys. It is big. Huge. Let me turn off the light here. Let me close up shop. Got plenty of storage for whatever you need. I mean, this is a place where you can live the rest of your time out. I mean, be honest. You're in Hensonville. Pretty quiet town. Pretty quiet little town outside of Angeles. You're still close to Walking Street. Okay, you're in the middle of everything in Hensonville. It's got restaurants. It's got a jeepney not a jeepney station, but the jeepneys roll by here. You have to walk maybe 100 yards to get on a jeepney. It's not right on top of Walking Street. You don't want to be on top of Walking Street, but it's accessible to Walking Street at a 10-minute, well, probably a 15-minute walk to Walking Street or a 5-minute trike ride. This is the place you want to be, guys. Here you go. You wake up in the morning. You wake up in the morning and you can go to coffee at your favorite coffee shop. That's right. They built a coffee shop just for you. Brand new. Just for you. Right next door. A little cafe where you can get more coffee. Lots of places around here where you can get coffee. Visit with your buddies. Hang out. And be happy. I was just looking. Oh, beautiful girls around here. Oh my God. So anyway, there's more. There's a gym up above the 7-Eleven. So anyway, it looks like it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a maid's quarters that's got a bedroom and a bath. Here it is right here. I forgot to mention, the best part of this whole place is you have got the best landlord. It's the same landlord as I got. The best landlord that I've ever had, and I'm 60 years old. I've rented a bunch of places before. If I have a problem, he's Johnny on the spot. So that's gotta be worth something. That's gotta be worth something. 2-car carport, park your scooters here, park everyone's scooters here. Okay guys, all this can be had for $55K. $55K, you got plenty of room, plenty of storage, plenty of places to hide away from your Filipina. Now, he does do a 1-year lease, and everything's included but the electric. So all you're paying for is the electric and rent. Guys, you got to take a look at this place. Ugly Tourist. Signing off. I'm going to go get a cup of coffee. From Hensonville. Stay ugly, my friends.